In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy drawings between futures contracts in Tradingview. This is especially useful for traders who use technical drawings and want to carry their insights across different charts quickly. To start, make sure you're on the Tradingview platform and have your preferred chart open, perhaps one with some triangle drawings already in place. You'll want these drawings transferred over to another futures contract, so let's get started on how to achieve that. Move over to the right side of your chart where there are various options presented to you. Next, click on the Object Tree and Data window. This panel will allow you to see all the various elements, such as indicators and drawings that are present on your current chart. Once you've opened up the Object Tree, carefully select the drawings you want to copy. You can select them by clicking on them directly in the list. If you have a lot of different drawings, make sure to only pick the ones you intend to transfer, avoiding any unnecessary clutter on your new chart. With your chosen drawings highlighted, you'll perform the next step by right-clicking. This action will pull up a context menu. From here, we're going to select the Copy option. This ensures that your selected drawings are ready to be duplicated. After copying your selections, we need to navigate to the upper left side of the Tradingview interface. This is where you can access the symbol search feature. Click on it and look for the new futures contract that you want to apply these drawings to. Once you've found and chosen the desired futures contract, it will replace your current chart view. Now that your chart is set with the new futures contract, right-click on your display once more. In the same context menu that you used earlier, there's an option labeled Paste. Click on Paste, and you should see your drawings magically appear on this new contract's chart, just as they were on the previous one. The drawings are now copied and successfully placed on your new futures contract, mirroring what you had on your original chart. This method saves time and maintains analytical consistency across different currencies or securities you might be tracking. It's worth noting that while this technique is straightforward, always ensure that your drawings remain connected to the live data. Sometimes, transferring drawings could require a little adjustment if the scale or time frame on the new chart is different. Finally, go ahead and review your chart to make sure everything looks just right. Ensure your analysis makes sense visually and numerically. And there you have it, your technical drawings efficiently transported from one futures contract to another within Tradingview. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.